gentlemen, this is bout number 21, which is a female over 81 kilo contest. Introducing your boxers, and firstly boxing out of the red corner, we're in the yellow and black, and hailing from Miguel's ABC, give it up for Grace Buckle! And across the ring, her opponent boxing out of the blue corner, wearing the red shorts, blue vest, and hailing from Bridlington, give it up for Emily Asquith! Your referee at the bell, Mr. Lee Innes, MBE.
Lee Innes getting us ready for our 21st contest of the day. Here is Grace Buckle from Miguel's, takes on Emily Asquith from Bridlington. Grace Buckle feeling very, very inspired and motivated following her teammate Ghanaian boxer Seth Gima, aka Freezy McBones, who's a boxing idol and a good friend of Grace's, who won his professional debut last week against Daly Sharp at Frank Warren's Queensbury Promotions. And she's coming into this very, very motivated off the back of that, she said.
And she is up against Emily Asquith, who comes to us into this final as a 2 times European champion, 20 years of age. Grace Buckle, 31 years of age. She is a British Sign Language interpreter, says that she wants to use British Sign Language in the fitness industry to support people with a hearing impediment to take part in fitness. Her nickname isn't Amazing Grace for no reason.
Yeah, big age differential between Emily and Grace here. Asquith at 20 years old and Buckle at 31. Emily's boxed for 9 years though, to Buckle's 7. Grace actually found boxing after seeing a friend of hers working a charity fundraiser boxing bout, and decided it was a perfect way to get involved and try and lose some weight, and before you knew it, the bug had bitten her and she was competing.
And here she is in the NAC finals.
It's always the way, isn't it? The people who come into the gym and say they have no intention of competing always end up competing and doing very well.
Yeah, they find the organic love for the sport.
And we're over halfway through this first round now. Still feeling each other out a little bit here, a little bit tentative in this early frame. Corner demanding double backhand, double right hand.
Asquith needs to just work inside when she gets there. Her feet are still just slightly out of range, although she got Grace Buckle with a couple of decent straight shots just there.
Yeah, Buckle doing well, controlling the centre of the ring here. But as the corner is saying, she needs to step on the pace a little bit of a slow and sluggish start to the fight, to the opening round of this 81 kilogram matchup. Second round getting underway here. Grace in the black and gold and red gloves, while Emily Asquith in the blue with the England shorts on. Nice jab to the body here, picking up the pace just a little bit more composure in this round. A much more intimate setting now as we get through these later bouts on the card. You can hear everything from the corner teams. It creates a much more intimate space where both competitors can hear each other's corner and try to counter what they're expecting to come.
I think Buckle's really sort of moved. She's doing well to move to the outside of Asquith's lead. She needs to really kind of come over the top of Asquith's lead hand with her lead hand. But it's going to be hard for the judges to score this, really. Neither boxer really landing with any clean punches, as we've seen previously.
Yeah, Grace just missing on a couple of these shots here, but she's remaining active and looking for an opening, as is Emily Asquith. Asquith trying to dictate the pace now. Trying to control the outing halfway through this round.
I think Asquith needs to look to slow Buckle down by going to the body a little bit more in this round. Done well with her rear hand there, Asquith. But she needs to be working on the inside here.
Yeah, Buckle's corner demanding more pressure.
Wonder if Asquith's experience at international level is going to carry her through this contest.
Yeah, 2 European Championships as well, representing England boxing. She's trying to really go for it, Asquith, but getting tangled up in the long arms of Buckle. Final 10 seconds of the second round. The punches aren't offering too much. Not much power behind them at this point. As they come out one last time. 81 kilograms. Here we go.
Asquith looking slightly more tired of the 2 boxers. Could have potentially punched herself out in the previous round, but she's still going.
Yeah, them legs looked a little bit heavy then when she went to come in. A little bit of fatigue starting to shine through.
Yeah, Buckle really needs to start landing her straight shots. She gained some success with the rear hand. a few seconds ago. She needs a lot more of those if she's going to win this.
Yeah, 2 minutes away from glory. The pair of them. It's who really wants it more here. Referee telling Asquith to keep her head up here. With 2 minutes left of the bout.
Buckle's not quite sure how to handle the velocity of punches of Asquith. Seems to be getting a bit overwhelmed by them and not quite able to get her counter punches off.
Yeah, Buckle just trying to pick the pace up a little bit here. Great corner work as well, instructing very loud and precise into the ring. Very nice right hand from Buckle there, and combination there. 6-punch combination from Buckle.
Asquith is just trying to stay in the pocket there and not allow Buckle to work, but she's managing to get those shots off.
Great work from Buckle there as she tries to make Emily Asquith buckle in the same way. Big work. Nice combinations coming through now with 35 seconds to go from Buckle.
She's really finding herself in this bout now with those combinations. She might have needed to have done that a lot earlier on in the bout though.
Absolutely. When you've only got 3 3-minute rounds, you can't really afford to waste any time. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds for glory.
Right hand from Grace Buckle there.
10 seconds for glory in history, and here we go.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bout number 21, please show your appreciation for both boxers. So, ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards where your officials at ringside scoring split decision 3-2 in favour of your new female 81 plus kilo national amateur champion. Boxing out of the red corner, it's Grace Buckle. A round of applause, both boxers.
Grace Buckle does enough in the eyes of the judges over the course of 3 3-minute rounds to take home the 81 kilogram women's championship.